What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to make a video about Dogecoin yesterday, but I decided I'm going to make one today because yesterday was jam-packed with a lot of things that were going on with Terra Luna Classic, in response to tweets that I had, just me coming out and, just talking to people about what I'm feeling with Terra Luna Classic. And that's why we're here is, to discuss a lot of that stuff. But I do have a couple of videos that are coming on Terra Luna Classic, but I don't know if they actually were here already. But let's talk about Dogecoin. Maybe Dogecoin will be uploaded first. I don't know the order of which I'm going to upload these videos, but let's talk about this position. So if you don't know, Dogecoin has been running for the past couple of days and has seen a significant amount of volume compared to not only just like regular altcoins, but we're talking about, the king of altcoins where you're looking at Ethereum, right? You're looking at comparing it to even Bitcoin, right? The king of cryptocurrency, right? It's insane to me to see how much movement has been, going through Dogecoin, but I guess it makes sense when you have a large buy the rumor type of news like this. And the good thing is we're not seeing a sell the news at least yet, right? We're not seeing that because I don't think we actually have the news. But we're seeing a lot of people buy up this position and seeing billions of dollars flow through this. But this video is about Dogecoin, but more importantly, it's about the entire market. Is this the catalyst that we need in order to propel the market back into a bullish market? Because if you don't know what happened before, Dogecoin actually led the way when it came to that. Obviously, we look at Bitcoin and see things that are running there, but Dogecoin kind of led the way the last time. And the way we're looking at it now, it looks like Dogecoin may be leading the way again. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, feel free to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. You can follow me there. We are at 13,000 followers, and I want to grow significantly. So I do appreciate you guys going over there and following and liking and retweeting and all the different support that you guys have for me. But let's talk about Dogecoin. So currently Dogecoin is around 14 cents. It's up about 8% today. You can see the volume is up 34%. The volume is sitting at almost $8 billion worth of volume. Previous time I talked about it, it was $14 billion, comparing that to 17 billion of Ethereum. So comparing the two, you're comparing them by volume. If you see that consistency in, 14, $10 billion, however many billions of dollars of volume that flow through Dogecoin, you can see a comparable market cap as well. And you know that Dogecoin has seen a market cap of up to about $90 billion and didn't look like it was going to stop until we had Elon and SNL and the whole entire situation that happened there. And then the rest of the market continued to tank and the markets didn't look good after that. But if you remember what happened before, Dogecoin started to run. It went from 6 cents or 4 cents up to 6 cents, up to 8 or 10 cents, jumped to 12, jumped up to about 15, and then 20, 25, 50 cents. It was really, really moving in a short period of time. And we are seeing the same thing with Dogecoin, except this one's a little bit different, right? You have the holders, you have people that are holding long term. Some people like the pro the Doge or the Dogecoin millionaire, and you have more consistency. And when you see that consistency, it's not in the form of it just going up and up and up. It's the form of seeing it increase, seeing little retracements, seeing it increase higher, seeing little retracements, creating those like those paths, where you have those ascending levels of support, the ascending levels of resistance, and it's showing nothing but bullish movement. Now, in the past, when we've seen this run, we've also seen other things in the market actually start to move as well. And now in this market, after Dogecoin and Twitter and Elon really put out all of this type of information and rumors, you're seeing everything else in the market that may be increasing as well, may catch a couple of pullbacks here and there. But the fact that you're seeing other things in the market actually run to certain levels and, grow a little bit shows how much strength one position could have. If you have, tens of billions of dollars that are flowing through Dogecoin, imagine what can flow elsewhere, because there's not only money that's flowing into Dogecoin, there's also money that's flowing out of Dogecoin. So if people are collecting a lot, in the form of gains, they're putting those gains elsewhere. And most people are putting them back into the crypto market, whether that's in XRP, it's in Cardano, it's in Ethereum, it's in Bitcoin, it's in Terra Luna Classic, it's in Shiba Inu, whatever it is, people are putting more money into those places. And it's very, very interesting to me to see all of that growth. Currently, you're looking at an $18 billion market cap, which it can go so much higher. If we look at it over the last 3 months, look at this movement, just straight upward movement. You have seen an increase, a little bit of retracement that came back down to this level of about 11, increased up to 15, and now you're seeing a little bit of retracement again. This is healthy movement. This is what we want to see in a position. Yes, it is a little bit extreme in the upward pressure, and we're not seeing maybe enough of a retracement, but we are seeing a little bit of a retracement, which means that you do have healthier movement in a position like this. Now, it is still more of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event right now until we see major confirmation of that news, which if we have major confirmation of that news, things could absolutely skyrocket and you'll see the rest of the market go with it. But if we see just news that's launched, then we might end up seeing just a little bit of a pullback just based on the fact that the news is out there. There's no more rumors. We have the full news. So anyways, we're sitting at a $20 billion market cap. This is not bad for a coin that really doesn't have any utility yet, but just has that rumor of utility. I'm still holding Dogecoin. I'm not holding a lot of it, but I am holding a decent amount of it to where we could see, some decent sized gains, and I'll accept that. I'll be happy with it, especially if it gets to $1. It'll go from it being worth, like $20 or something to being worth $800 or so. That's probably not accurate, but it's going to be going from a low amount to about $800 because I have at least 800 Dogecoin that's over in Robinhood. And I had a lot more previously when I sold my Terra Luna Classic. It was at 8 cents. But then I put that into CRO, which has made a little bit of a move, but not as much as what you see with Dogecoin growing a hell of a lot, right? This last month, you can see it, up from 5 cents all the way up to 15 cents. And recently, if we look at the last day, it actually has grown over that. We see it above 16 cents there, and that's fantastic to see. So let me know what you think about Dogecoin. Is it something that's taking the market with it as it's growing? Because in my opinion, I think that's the case. When we see Dogecoin run, we're going to see money that flows out of Dogecoin and money that flows into other projects as well. And we're talking about in the form of billions of dollars. This is money that you don't see in a lot of places. So even if you have, let's say you have $10 billion that flows through Dogecoin, $1 or $2 billion flows out of Dogecoin. That can be split amongst a lot of different altcoins or a lot of bigger coins there. So if you scroll down here and maybe people want to put a lot into Solana, you could see, 500 million that flows through Solana, or an addition of like 500 million that flows through Solana, which will essentially increase the price. Same thing with Cardano. So as you see more and more money that flows through one position, know that others will be affected as well. So, hats off to you, Elon, and Twitter and all of the people that are supporting Dogecoin in such a big way, because it is making moves and it's making the crypto market more bullish. So definitely watch out. If we are going to see a bullish run from Dogecoin, expect to see something big from other coins as well. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this. Am I way off on this opinion? It is just an opinion, but let me know if you feel good about that, or you feel like it's just far-fetched. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.